and the account is created successfully. Click on the Zoho, and here we go. The logo is yours. Hi everyone, and welcome back to CodeRed Labs, and we your trusty Zoho partner. We newly launching a extension for Zoho CRM users. So in this video, I can show you like how can you install this extension. So mostly people are struggle to lots of time to manually uploading your account's logo inside the Zoho CRM. So that's an issue. That's the reason we are solve this issue, and we are launching a new extension that's called the company logo fetch. So this extensions is helping you to fetching the company logos. So I will be show you how can you install this extension and use this for your company preference. So we have a multiple data centers here. So based on your data centers, you can just select any flag. So, and if you don't know about your data center, you just click on it and just uh, if you have a .com, that's a US data center. If you are .in, this is an Indian data center. That's very simple. So you can click on the because in my cases we have a US data center. I will click the US data center, and then it's showing me to company logo fetch uh, panel. So I just clicking on the yes, clicking on the install button, and after that successfully install this extension. So it will be installing, and it's taking some time. After the successful install, you can see there is asking to authorize this. I will authorize this clicking on the sandbox and submit this, clicking on allow and accept it. So it automatically authorized my account, and they asking me to API key. So you can just go to this site. This is a logo.dev, and create your new account. And after the successfully creating the new account, you get this API key. So you just select the publishable API, clicking on this copy button, and here we go. You can just save this into your extension, and here we save it, and I just test this extensions. So I go to with this account. There is a lead section. I clicking on the lead button, and after the clicking on the lead button, I just type the Zoho here, type CRM, and I don't have an email ID. I click the Zoho CRM and just save it. After the successfully lead is created right now, and you can convert this lead, and after the successfully converted, it will be going to be creating a new account, and then you click convert button, and the account is created successfully. Click on the Zoho, and here we go. The logo is yours. So you don't need to be upload any logo to there. You just convert it and create a new account. The logo automatically will be fetched to here. So here we go. All your company logos will be there, and you can use it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you need any implementation, we are always available for you. So contact us right now.